Are you ready to whip up some spooky sweets? These three ingredient Halloween treats are frightfully easy, hauntingly cute, and scary delicious. From ghostly pops to monster mouths, let's make your kitchen a little more beautiful. First, ghost meringue pops. Dip meringue cookies in melted white chocolate to make them glossy and attach mini chocolate chip eyes before it sets. Serve on lollipop sticks for spooky ghost pops. Second in the list is spider truffle bites. Break pretzels into small legs and stick 4 on each side of the truffle. Add candy eyes with a dab of melted chocolate. Instant creepy cute spiders are ready. Third, bloody vampire bark. Spread melted white chocolate onto parchment, swirl in streaks of red jam, press in mini marshmallows for fangs and chill. Break into shards and enjoy. Fourth, a monster apple bites. Spread peanut butter between 2 apple slices, add marshmallows for teeth, and tilt the slices open to look like a monster mouth. Fifth, witch hat cookies. Pipe a ring of orange icing on each wafer, press a Hershey's kiss on top, looks like a little witch hat in seconds. Hope you enjoyed.